Hey, Chloe! It's so good to see you. How was your week at work?
Hey, Liam. It was very busy. Lots of meetings. But I am happy it's Friday. How about your week?
Mine was busy too. I am definitely ready for the weekend. I need a break from the city.
A break from the city? That sounds nice. What do you have in mind?
I'm so glad you asked. The weather forecast for tomorrow is perfect. It says it will be sunny and warm, with no clouds.
Oh, really? A perfect sunny day. We should not waste it staying inside.
Exactly. So I was thinking we should take a day trip, somewhere outside of the city. What do you think?
I think that is a fantastic idea. I would love that. But where should we go?
Okay, I have two main ideas. Option one is the mountains. We could go hiking. The air is so fresh there.
The mountains. Hiking can be nice. It is good exercise. But it can also be very tiring. What is option two?
Option two is the beach. We can relax on the warm sand, listen to the waves, and maybe go for a swim.
The beach. Oh, I love that option. It sounds so relaxing. My week was tiring, so relaxing sounds better than hiking.
Perfect. The beach it is. I also feel like relaxing more than hiking. So, we have a destination. Now, let's make a plan.
Okay. What time should we go? I think we should go early to avoid the traffic.
That's a very smart idea. Traffic can be bad on weekends. How about we meet at 8:30 in the morning? I can pick you up.
8:30 a.m. is perfect. Thank you, Liam. So, what should we bring with us?
Good question. We definitely need towels. And sunscreen is very important. We don't want to get a sunburn.
Right. Towels and sunscreen. I can bring the towels. I have 2 big beach towels. You bring the sunscreen.
Okay, deal. I will bring sunscreen. I will also bring a big bottle of water to stay hydrated. And maybe some snacks, like fruit or some chips?
Oh, snacks are a great idea. I can make some small sandwiches. Nothing fancy, just cheese and tomato.
You would do that? That's awesome, Chloe. That's much better than chips. Okay, so we have towels, sunscreen, water, and sandwiches. What else?
My sunglasses. I always forget my sunglasses. And maybe a hat. The sun can be very strong.
Yes, sunglasses and a hat are a must. I will also bring a book to read. Do you want to bring one?
No, I don't think so. I just want to sit and watch the ocean. It helps me clear my mind.
I completely understand. The ocean is very calming. Okay, now for the most important question. Lunch.
The sandwiches are just for a snack, right? For a real lunch, we should explore. Is there a good place to eat there?
Yes, there is a small restaurant right by the beach. They sell the best fried fish and calamari. It's very fresh.
That sounds delicious. I love fresh seafood. Let's definitely go there for lunch.
Okay, so let's review the final plan. I will pick you up at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. You will bring the towels and the sandwiches.
And you will bring the sunscreen and the water. We will also remember our sunglasses and hats.
Correct. We will drive to the beach, find a good spot, and relax. Then, for lunch, we will eat fresh fish at the restaurant.
It sounds like a perfect plan. It is simple, relaxing, and fun. I am really looking forward to it.
Me too. It's going to be a great day. A perfect escape from our busy weeks. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 8:30.
See you tomorrow, Liam. Drive safe.